Hi, this is Gautam. Today I'm going to explain web technology lab experiment 5, that is creating Java script define elements and events. And here the first question is to write a function that accepts strings. The parameter is the longest word within the string. That means if you give a string, it will find which string is the biggest. And second question is the BMI calculator, body mass index calculator. If under 18 is underweight, and 18 to 25 is normal, and 25 to 30 is overweight, and greater than that is obese. And here store is flower a garden, to flower a garden using the JavaScript. And fourth is to weight initiator, and fifth one is to coin flip. Sixth is to pizza order form. Here I have created here is my code. Here HTML head with the title experiment 5 CS21, and head has been closed, and body tag, and here head is 3, so that its length will be small, largest string, enter the string, and input type is text. Placeholder is hello type text here, and id is t1. The button type is button, and click, it will go to the function. Click me, and click it will go to the function. Put your name is here, spanner id. Here the script can be written inside the head or inside the body and actional. Here I am writing inside the body, so that I have kept the script type is equal to text or Java. It may be kept or else no problem. Here the function as we on click here function, it will go to the function here. The function where string document dot get element by the id t1 dot value. Variable a is the string dot split, so that the string will be splitted where I kept variable dot where maximum a dot length, so it will go the length of the variable. And where l equal to 0, where I equal to 0, I less than a dot length, and I plus plus, so that for function has been used here, so that it will check the each element in the strings, and it will give the longest string document dot get element by id s1 dot html a1. Here it will be given the which is the longest element. And the second question is body mass index, and to enter your weight. For this I kept a box that input type is text, id equal to 2, placeholder, enter the numbers, enter in numbers. And second enter your height, input type is equal text, id placeholders, enter your numbers. Input type button value is equal to BMI. On click it will go to the function body mass index. Here I have got script in the screenshot that I have created a function body mass index with variable w, where float, and with h parse float, variable bm. Here bm is equal to w by h into h. If I have used if else functions. If else if body mass is less than it will go to underweight. If else if it is body mass is greater than 18 and less than 25, it will go to the normal. If body mass is 25 and it will go to overweight. If body mass is greater than 30, it will go to obese. Here the script has been closed. And here the third question is the flower garden. The flower garden is division. I have opened the division tag in rows, and input type is text, id is equal to rows, columns input type is text, id is equal to columns, and button on click it will grow. It will go to the grow function. Here inside this I have created a fun function grow, variable array flower.jgp, download 1.jgp. These are the images which have been kept here. Variable flower, math.random into 3 plus 1, so it will give the random flowers. Variable rows is equal to percent document get element by id row dot value. Variable columns equal to percent document get element by column dot value. For I equal to 1, I less than row, I plus plus, and j it is it's like a row. It is like a matrix form. So for this I have used two for forms for a document get element by id garden dot nrhm plus image source where cursor less than 1 which is equal to 100 plus height is equal to 100, and process is equal to math dot floor and math dot random into 3 plus 1. And here document get element by id garden plus in HTML equal to break. So it will answers will come by here. Next to the script test.java function convert. Here the converting variable index is equal to document get element id from dot index selected index variable value get element id from index plus value, and index 1 document get element id 2 from these are from index, and these two indexes. If index equal to 0 and index equal to 0, variable get element id data dot value document get element by id answer dot inner html plus are equal to a. Else if index equal to 0 and index equal to 1, then variable a equal to document get element by id data dot value variable x equal to a into 2. These are the value given for the to find the answer. Document get element by id answer equal answer dot html plus x, so that x value will be coming here. If index equal to 1 and index equal to 0, the variable get element by id data dot value variable x a into 0.40 document get element by id answer in HTML. If index equal to 1 and index equal to 1, the variable document get element by id dot value document dot get element by id answer in HTML equal to a. And the script has been closed. Here we can grow. Here we can grow the next is the body weight converter. To convert a weight, we are given a field set. Convert output text input type is called text and id equal to data. While we'll give the numbers, set id from option equal kg lb. These are the options. And to convert to option kg or lb, two options. If you want to change the kg into the lb, select has been closed. The button on click convert, it will go to the convert function to calculate. Here I have given it will be converted. Next on cost and cost toss coin, input type is equal to button value equal to flip, so that the coin will be flipped. The function will be given on flip id equal to flip. I have given the id equal to flip. Image source, this is the image source which I have been used. And the number of heads id equal to s3 and number of tails id equal to s4. Here and the script has been opened and get element by id from b1 here, which has been given. Add a event listener on click dot flip variable h equal to 0 variable t equal to 0. The function flip on ht where variable ht has been given, and math dot for 2 into math dot random function, and switch ht case 0. Here I have used the switch case because to either head or tail, so it's case 0 for h plus plus and case 1 ht plus plus. Document get element by s3 dot html get document coin source. Otherwise it will show the tails break. And the sixth question is to order pizza from first one is number of small pizza, input type text id equals small, and number of large pizza, input type is equal to text id equal medium, input type for large pizza, input type is text id equal to large, and tip label, input type is equal to radio. Then here I have used the radio buttons, value equal to 10, name of the tip is equal to 10%, input type is radio, value is equal to 15, name of the tip and checked 10%. And the same way I have given. If here button submit on click, it will go to the function pizza. Here I have opened the script, and inside the function pizza has been opened. Inside the variable s and percent document get element by id small dot value, variable m percent document get element by id medium dot value, l is equal percent document get element by id large dot value, variable tip equal to document dot query selector, input name equal to tip checked dot value. Here the total equal 100 into s plus 200 into m plus 400 into l. so that it will give the total. And for the tip, for calculating the tip, I have given total the tip equal to tip by 100 into the total, so that it will give the percentage of a tip total plus or equal to, so it will give the total plus total equal to total plus total tip. And document equal to get element by id and price in HTML and total. HTML body, it has been closed and body has been closed, HTML has been closed. Here in this is my gift. Now I am going to show the output. Run file, so it will go to here. See, I have I am entering a string. My name is Gautam. It will show which is the largest string in this. Say here the Gautam is the largest string, so it will show Gautam. Now I am giving enter your weight for the body mass index, enter your weight in numbers. Here my weight is 55 and your height is in meters, so I will give 60 body mass index. Underweight, it will calculate and give it is underweight. Now I am going to flower gardens. Number of rows 5 and number of columns 5. See, here 5 rows, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 columns, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 columns. Weight converter, convert 65 from kgs to lb. Calculate. Here answer is 143.300. It will convert. Here flipping the coin. First flip, heads it came. Second also head. Third its tails. See, the image has been changed here. In this, the fourth head. In this way it will be coin has been crossed. Pizza order form. In the pizza order form, I will order number of pizza 0, small pizza, medium pizza 5, and large pizza 6. As it is on radio buttons, I can click 10% or 15% or 20%. It is rather up to you. I will give it's a 10% and calculating the order, and the cost of order is 740. And in this is my tab XML file. Thanking you.